aka Everyday Monet, and I'm so glad to have you here. I always have to check my teeth to make sure I don't have like lipstick on my teeth. So I am so glad to have you here. Today I'm doing something a little bit different that I've done on my channel, and I wanted to just share, and I don't feel like I have to do a disclaimer, but just because I know like how things can go and opinions, I just want to do a disclaimer. These are my opinions on particular brands and why I don't want to purchase from them. It's just like anything else, whether it's like cars or clothes or food or whatever. You know, part of what we do as consumers is we connect with brands, we connect with people. Like, I'm super loyal to particular brands. Cargo's one of them. I don't feel like they get enough hype and talk, you know, I don't think they get talked about enough on YouTube, but I'm really loyal to them. But there are 5 brands that I'm not going to purchase from. And I'm going to tell you why. The top brand that I will never purchase from is Kylie Cosmetics. And a lot of people might be like, oh, you know, people bash Kylie and this and that. My thing is that it's not even just that I don't really connect with Kylie. I mean, she's like 12 in my book. I mean, I'm in my 40s, so I don't really see her as like a role model or an idol or anything. But I do feel like celebrities, no matter how you become a celebrity, once you get to be celebrity and you're at a certain status, I do think that you have a responsibility to think more about what you say and do and things like that. So in terms of that, like, I just don't roll with Kylie like that. The other thing is I hear nothing but bad things about the customer service. And maybe I'm old school or whatever, but as far as I'm concerned, like, you're not getting my hard-earned money if you're treating me like crap. Because there's so many makeup brands out there that are awesome and treat their customers awesome. Like, I don't need to put up with it, and I won't. I mean, it's just like restaurants. If I get bad service, I just won't go back. That's all there is to it. The other brand that I wouldn't purchase from is the KKW brand. And I know you're gonna be like, Kardashians, but I think the thing is like, I just get this vibe from the brand, and in general, like, I don't even think, like, Kim doesn't even do her own makeup. She said that. She's not like a makeup, like, loving it. I think anything you do, you can tell when somebody's just not 100% in it. You can totally tell. And I feel that brand, it's behind in trends. It's sort of like lackluster. It just seems like, you know, the cute guy that just, I'm cute, so I don't even have to be nice to you. Like, that whole vibe turns me off. So I just won't purchase. The next one is going to be Lime Crime, which I'm on the fence and I'm not on the fence. There's so many things from the brand that I want to try. I've never tried anything from Lime Crime, but there's so many controversial things that have happened, not only just with the owner, but like, again, with the customer service. And I don't know if it's like a millennial thing or whatever, but I just don't feel like, if people are supporting you through their commerce, which that's what you need in order to be successful, then you owe them a level of respect and attention, and I don't know that that's necessarily happened. And to me, it's like, it's kind of like dating someone who has a bad reputation. Like, eventually it's going to rub off on you. So for me, I just don't like any of that nonsense. I'm just too old for the nonsense, the drama, like, so I'm over it. Next is JEFFREE Star. And I sort of have this like love-hate thing with JEFFREE Star. Like, I find him super entertaining. He's very beautiful. Love his makeup skills. But I just don't see him evolving enough as a person for me at this point. And this isn't like, you know, he's the face of his brand. His brand is his name is the brand name. Like, the brand oozes him. And so, you know, I just don't like enough of the vibe to feel like I can support him. And, you know, in general, some of the things that he has said, not only about women, but about people of color, just really bother me. And you know, in my real life, I'm a therapist for kids, and so I know that you say stupid stuff, and especially if they're, you know, trying to carve out their space in the world and they want to be different, which I think it's great. And I think, you know, if you think about the evolution of everything, you know, it wasn't so long ago that a male could wear makeup openly and be accepted for it. So I do feel like on some level he has like this personal struggle that he's had, but I also don't feel like because you've struggled personally you can treat people in a certain way or just say anything and not be responsible for it. Me personally, I'm biracial, and when I was growing up it just wasn't a thing. Like, it wasn't, you know, there wasn't a lot of people who are biracial in terms of in the media or to look up to, and so I was probably treated in certain ways that I wouldn't now if I was growing up. But that doesn't mean that because I struggled with identity and just race issue, all that stuff I struggled with on both sides of the fence, it doesn't mean like I could then just like spew off at the mouth and like that could be okay. And then the last brand that I just won't support is Laura Lee, and there's a couple reasons why. One of the reasons is that I actually was a subscriber of Laura Lee. I actually really liked her and was like all about supporting her. I have just noticed that over the last year or two, as she's become more popular and things, I just don't, I don't get a lot of passion from her videos. Like, she almost seems kind of over it. And the other thing is, I just think that she has said and done things that, I don't know, she just has this maybe elitist type vibe to her. And again, I don't know this person, I only know her from YouTube, but that's the point. When you have a makeup brand and the brand is your name and you are selling it, you're selling a part of yourself. And so you have to be open to the fact that some people aren't going to buy it. Even if you're perfect, even if you're great, there's no one's ever going to like you 100%. These are just my reasons why I wouldn't support the brands, and I'm not saying that maybe these reasons wouldn't change, but for right now, that's how I feel. I hope you like this video. If you like videos like this, give me a thumbs up. Let me know like what brands down below, like, do you like, do you not like, what brands do maybe their business practices turn you off, or their spokespeople or whatever. Let's have a dialogue about it. If you want to join my little YouTube family and come become one of my little Monets, I would love that. And all you have to do is click the subscribe button, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.